Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chin Leong To, a life coach and an author. Welcome to the new self-improvement and self-growth series. I just started new series of video on having an optimal life. You are always welcome to visit the past videos that I've done. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the key components of living an optimal life. In some cases, due to a series of unfortunate events and certain circumstances, living a fulfilling and meaningful life can become a close to impossible task. Basically, you need to be physically, emotionally, spiritually, and psychologically healthy in order to live an optimal life. However, balancing these aspects is truly not that easy. Improving certain areas of your life can be an excellent way to make your journey less difficult. Number one, practice healthy living. The modern society has a different perceptions about individuals with unhealthy lifestyle. More opportunities for growth and personal improvement, as well as greater chances for optimal living, will be yours if you practice healthy living. This may include having a healthy and active lifestyle and healthy relationship with the people around you. Number two, strive to learn continually. Great things in life can be achieved if you are not afraid to make mistakes and improve yourself by learning new things. Having the interest to enhance your knowledge and improve your skills will inspire and motivate you to become innovative and creative when making life changes and choices. Number three, find emotional and spiritual peace. Living an optimal life cannot be fully realized if you fail to deal with your emotions and recognize the value of spiritual peace. You are the only one who can control your emotions. For this reason, it is vital that you have a clear idea and understanding of the factors that affect your emotional state. Only this way you will know how to manage these factors in order to achieve emotional peace, which is crucial in achieving great happiness. Aside from this, emotional peace can also be achieved by learning to forgive. On the other hand, spiritual peace will make you aware of the oneness of life and acknowledge the things that will significantly improve your life and the world as a whole. Drop me a line in the comment section. Share with us your experience, the challenges you face in pursuing an optimal life. We would like to learn from you. You are invited to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get notification as soon as I post a new video by clicking on the bell down below. That's all for today. Bye bye.